Because if you look at some of the brown, it's like perfect squares.
What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite Aquarius, and I'm back at it with another video. Today we got
Me.
that was a corny intro, but we got Babe with us today, and we're going on a nature walk. And I don't do nature,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
Yep. Show them where we at.
So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. You already know what to do. And get this video a thumbs up. And if you want to come on this nature walk with us, then stay tuned.
Come on.
It's creepy out here. It's creepy out here, I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Creepy? Babe, that.
look at nature at its best back here. That spider wasn't playing.
You said, I bet I'll kill some food, goddammit.
Right? Yes, I'm rocking the twist today. Just did another twist out. Had to refresh my head, of course. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Step on that.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Hey, king of the world. This guy over here, he's just. Are you proud with that? Something crawled on me. I got.
Let a real nigga be your spiritual guide through the spiritual journey.
Huh. Look at this wall though. Like, this wall is very, very textured.
Well, a long time ago, this river used to be.
Hold
all
up,
the-
y'all. We got some facts coming up.
The river used to be all the way up here, taller than us.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why all this is weathered down like that. You see these squares? This shit almost look like man-made, like a nigga just put stone tiles. Yeah.
Dare me to eat one? I'm just not
I
taking.
don't know CPR, nigga.
All right, babe. What do you call these?
Nature stairs.
We're climbing nature stairs, guys.
Nature added a new stair. I don't remember that.
Huh?
I said nature added a new stair. I don't remember that.
Oh shit! Ugh.
Look at it over here.
Isn't this so cool?
I want to go.
Like, you guys, this is what we live amongst.
This is where I raise your burrows in the wintertime for hibernation.
Yes. I got my little
Rock pillow.
rock pillow. Got my roofing started. You know.
Insulation.
Yeah.
It's up there. Get up there.
Wow, that's crazy.
We actually going this way though. My fault. It's easy to get lost around
This is the
part.
spiritual guide for you. My brother's calling. Do you hear him? He's calling me. He's calling me home, mate.
A bear. Sorry.
Oh, this is cool. We could tightrope.
It's pretty cool up here, ain't it? It's like you're standing on the edge of a mountain.
I wish my brother would shut up.
We don't got no damn worm.
Well, this nature walk has turned into Babe brings snacks.
Survival.
His concession stand.
Trail mix when you're on the trailhead ass.
It's kind of like hot, but I think I'm only hot because I have on socks.
Hold on.
Hold on for his snack break.
Yeah. Don't walk and snack people.
I just got a green thumb, you know.
Go back to your damn planking house.
What did you say?
Nothing.
He's dogging my cactus and my orchid. That wasn't my fault though. You got those plants, and when you brought me the cactus, it was falling out of the pot.
Nigga, that's because you kept messing open.
Oh, let me get a munchie. Yay! Would you look at that? Blooming. Life. Death. Mayday, I just been attacked. Mayday. I was just attacked, bro. That's why I need to stay in the house. Like, this is absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, I know them little bugs that like be floating in the air, like you can't really see them, but you can see them, you know, them little, oh, they're annoying. We're pretty high up though. Would you jump? Nah. Nah. What you doing? Stealing wood. Good job, babe. Good job. But just like look at nature. This tree actually looks pretty cool. Like it's all. There's an ant. This is the ant that I just ran into. He's like, God damn it. God damn it. She f***ed it up. Sorry, little guy. Sorry, little guy. I'm sorry. This isn't actually bad though. It's pretty peaceful. I know Bae likes to do this a lot. Sometimes I tag along, sometimes I don't. Hey. Look at how them is on the ground though.
Yeah. A little A+.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't bounce it at all. That tree bending it over for a real one. So I want to show you guys this sketchy whatchamacallit that we had to walk across. He's making me bare arms with wood.
I wish I would. Get it, 'cause we got wood.
Yeah. Very funny.
Down like lower, bro.
Look at this
Oh.
sketchy.
It's a trampoline.
A trampoline. You're crazy. They happy he done found some friends. These are a very pretty color. Oh my God. He thinks we're taking that home. We're not. Other way.
Remark. Did you get Pennywise again from Colin?
Pennywise.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What in the is this?
You wanna go save Georgie? He's in there, he needs
No, Georgie's gotta stay.
Here come George!
Somebody really drew that. Oh hell no.
It's actually not bad.
It's not,
They could
but
have did better in the arm. They ran out of room though.
oh look, his little balloon over there.
Yeah. I gotta go in there, man. I don't know what is in there.
Something that we don't need to be seeing. Ain't none of our business what's in there.
We need to save somebody who's tied up in there or something.
Who's tied up in there?
Nigga, I don't know, maybe Georgie.
No. Okay guys, it is the end of the video. It was a short little video today. Just wanted to take you guys on a nature walk with me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Help me on my road to 100 subs. Get me there. You can be entered in a drawing for $100. Want to know more information about that? Go ahead and watch my last video, the video before. You'll know. So I'm out of here. We're jerking. We're jerking. Ooh. Ooh.
You don't know about me?
Ooh.
On the west side, baby.
So we'll see you next time, guys. And we are